Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. You might not ever draw a logo like this, but it'll just maybe give you some ideas. We're going to start with a 10-sided polygon. Make sure you hold down the control button to make it perfect and then hit P to put it in the center of the page. Now, I like starting it with a flat top, so I'm going to rotate it 18 degrees to get that flat top. I'm going to take an indexing line and put it right there. And this is where your artistic ability could come into play. I'm going to go from right there to get that same angle, but then I'm going to move it and you can see it's going to stick on that line. Now, just play with it artistically and just make another 2-point line, really where you want. Then I like using this 3-point curve line and join those two and then holding down the control button, sometimes you'll get all the time, you'll get a more perfect curve. Now we're going to go ahead and fill that in just so you can see it. I'm going to take away the outline. That made it one object. I'm going to put this indexing line now in the center of the page, and that's why I'm in the center of the page. So now I can Control D and duplicate that, double click on the rotation and put the rotation in the center. Just kind of click off it. If you don't hit that X, it's going to do that, and I'm not quite in the center. A lot of times, see, I didn't hit the X, so I get the shape tool whenever you double click on an idea. So now we're in the center. Now I'm going to rotate it 36 degrees. Well, Control D, rotate it 36 degrees. And it goes around that edge. And I could have done anything. And one thing, this video is not really that cool. So what we could do, if we think about it, let's take this and make it an outline. Well, let's give it an outline and then let's take away the fill. Well, I guess because I smart filled it, I can't do that. Let's nudge it out of the way, nudge that one out of the way, and just nudge this one back. Now we're going to take this and go up to edit and clone it. And then we're going to double click on the rotation and we're going to rotate it 36 degrees and then go around. And this is where you kind of play with the clone tool to get a different look. We're going to take this one with the shape tool and look what happens. All the clones do what we want it to do. You could take away nodes, and get add nodes, add another node, and then add another node still, and then go like this to get a totally different logo look. This way you can't really do this without the clone tool because you don't know how far you can get to that one without touching the other one. Take away that node, and now it's a total different look than what I drew originally. Let's turn it into that orange, take away the outline, and you've got a pretty unique looking logo. I don't know that you'd ever use that, but that just gives you some ideas. Hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.